Hello guys, welcome back. It's day of my award and we're at Brooklands. Look at that. Mercedes-Benz world, not that the award's there. Yeah, award's not over there, award's just over there somewhere at the Brooklands Museum. So we get ourselves dressed, suited and booted, head on over there. We go that way. There's Concord, I can see Concord.
In the ownership of Malcolm Campbell after the First World War, its return to Brooklands as one of
Nice.
James Bluebird on the store.
Nice doing it. It's nice doing it. No room for the shopping.
That's one of my really old scale electric sets.
Yeah. Strange seeing a Cooper in red. You know, you just always imagine green really, but in my head anyway.
Yeah, well, we've actually got another Formula One Cooper here in red as well. First rear-engine Grand Prix car of the modern era from 1959 to 1960.
Right, Mrs. Green.
That's more how I remember.
That's how you remember, is it? I think that's even a little bit before your era, dear.
A little bit.
1977. You might be more
Bigger.
that era.
Bigger. I think of bigger tail fins.
Bigger tail fins. I think this is on these one alone. This one, the guy was just saying that's already. This is second one. So he's see no engine.
There must be not very many spectators in at this.
No, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's a shame they're not flying anymore, isn't it, these Concords? They're right old.
They're old.
It all still looks in fairly good condition. Refurb it, get it going. I was going to say it's all numbered for the mechanics, but then I just realised that there's a little Brooklands idiot. Green Senior. And we don't get it. There's some cool planes here, cool planes. If you ever get to come check it out. Brooklands Museum. Really good. This is Green having a sit down. Down at the bottom of a Loch Ness, this plane. Look back up. It's like a torpedo in the back.
The first award goes to Chris Lawson and Laura Kimber from Gillingham in Dorset for their restoration of the 1911 8 horsepower Marshall traction engine number 55924. Engine 55924 left the Marsh West Sussex for the restoration of his 1960s Austin Minis. Matthew is in the process of restoring two Mark I Classic Minis, a 1964 and a late 1967 Mini, which would have been one of the last Mark Is to have been built. Both projects are being restored in his single garage, but what sets Matthew's efforts apart from others is the extent to which he has used social media in general and YouTube in particular to publicise his sterling efforts. To some of us here, the original Mini does not seem very old, but these two are half a century each, and as the pictures display show, require inordinate amounts of effort to bring back to life. That Matthew has done and is doing so, whilst at the same time sharing his experience with thousands of others, is testament to his determination and imagination. In his application, Matthew told us that he had 2,000 followers of his YouTube restoration channel. I checked on Saturday, he's trebled that with over 6,000 followers and 1.6 million views of his videos. Work is progressing at pace and he hopes to have at least one car ready for Goodwood this year. Because of both his determination to complete the restorations and his sterling efforts to use modern media to publicise his efforts to a worldwide audience, the Transport Trust are delighted to make this award today. Matthew Gill.
Hello, back to reality now. The day after the awards, back to work. Go do a day's work and then we can go play with cars again, hopefully. So yeah, there's my certificate. My award, Restoration Award 2017. Yeah, just wanted to say thanks again to you guys, because that's the reason I got it, is all you guys that follow me, and girls. If it wasn't for you guys, yeah, I wouldn't have got it. That's what they really did appreciate. Obviously the little video before this, hopefully it came out all right. I don't think the sound was that brilliant, but I only use a silly phone, so I do apologise. One day we might stop spending money on cars and buy a decent camera to record all this stuff on. But yeah, amazing day. Great to meet a royal and meet a lot of other lovely people who are all restoring all different types of projects. And so that's got me thinking a bit. So I need to think what I can do to repay the Transport Trust. I've got a few ideas. I think at some point it'd be definitely worth seeing some of these other projects, non-car related, and showing you guys. I'm pretty sure that most of you guys will like some of the projects. I know we all like minis anyway, or all like cars, but I think we all have a slight inkling with anything with an engine or something. So yeah, so I might, over the next 6 months or something, we'll try and do something. We'll try and, I don't know what yet 100%, but we'll try and figure out something. And maybe go visit some of these projects or do something with the Transport Trust to just try and, you know, open your eyes to all the other projects out there, because I know you guys you enjoy all that sort of stuff. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, thanks to everyone again. I keep trying to produce videos and try and entertain you a little bit. Yeah, all right, off to work now. Have a good day, guys. Hope you've had a good day even. And yeah, check out the Brooklands Museum as well. Really great little place, that great little museum, some great cars there. Again, didn't do it justice with my silly videos, but yeah, go check it out for yourself. Bye.